Hello, viewers. Hello, Zimbabwe. Maskarase. I'm very sorry I'm late. Technical challenges on my side. I'm 16 minutes late, and it's not so proper, but I'm happy that I'm here. So we need to talk about Honorable Job Sikhala. He was in court today under the new magistrate, and he managed to appear, and they presented their case very well. So I'm going to put this on the screen so that we can actually talk about it from the screen. So stay tuned as we put the issues which were happening in court on the screen. So here is it. Today, the case was currently the state versus Sikhala, where Madam Beatrice Mtetwa was challenging the placement of Honorable Job Sikhala on remand. So she was saying a lawyer cannot be placed on remand or cannot be punished for representing a client. So the ruling on the application to place the accused person on remand was supposed to be handed today. However, it was not handed. So the state says the police of Zimbabwe has not yet finished compiling, investigating the evidence against Honorable Job Sikhala. And the state argues that Job Sikhala has raised a plausible defense. So they are not concerned about the defense at this stage. The spectacular lawyers who never been something they consider. She is represented by people like Honorable Beatrice Mtetwa, and she is so good. So she asked the court to say what is going to stop the police to prefer new charges on Honorable Sikhala using the same facts next week, because they've already splitted this case using the same facts on the incitement of violence and the new charges for trying to stop the police to do their work, the obstruction of justice case. So she argues that there is no proof that indeed Honorable Sikhala posted any video on Zim Live, because he doesn't have any access to Zim Live, because it is run by different people. So the state's argument does not apply here, and does not even mean any form of subversion of any form. He is representing people, he is representing a family, and by representing a family, you speak on behalf of the family. And when we are speaking on behalf of the family, he cannot take charges, or he cannot be charged for representing his family. So the state also alleges that Job Sikhala was uploading incriminating evidence on the date he was already detained in prison, and there is no proof to such effect that Honorable Sikhala was doing that. So you can actually see that the case that Job Sikhala defeated the cause of justice, it was not is something where the police is just trying to hide behind a finger. So Job Sikhala is being charged with obstructing the course of justice. This new charge is based on the same facts we have talked about this. So this is a double jeopardy of splitting the charge, which is also unlawful. So you can actually see that there are prospects of winning this case. There are prospects that he might not be regarding this case if the state fails to prove beyond reasonable doubts that indeed he committed any crime. So this matter cannot proceed to trial, and that is in my view. I feel that this case cannot proceed to be tried in any court. So you have seen, I have put the points, the evidence of what was happening on the screen. So that is what is very important for us to understand, that at this juncture, he is facing the charges of obstruction of justice, and he was placed before a new magistrate. and we wait to see if the magistrate is going to place him on remand. If the magistrate places him on remand, it means we will need to go through bail application. But if the magistrate does not place him on remand, it means we will now proceed to apply for bail on the previous charges, that is at the high an appeal for bail at the High Court. So those are the issues, those are the charges. I have not seen, sorry, those are the facts surrounding today's appearance. So I have not seen any questions, any comments regarding this matter. If there are any questions or any comments, so that if there is need, we can actually do respond to them. So I will continue to put this information on the screen so that those who want to read, they can be able to read whilst we are talking. So here are the issues right on the screen. You can read for yourself. Please confirm if you can read from your side. So you can actually see that Zimbabwe is no longer free. A lot of people were at the court today answering various charges. Advocate Mayer was at court. Makombora Ruzvishe, Denford Ngadzore, all of them, they were at court answering various charges in different charges. So that is the kind of Zimbabwe we are now living in. That is the kind of nation we are now living in. So it is a problem. It is a sickness. It's no longer something which is so good for our people. Stakas Lemoyans, who is going to preside over Sikhala's case. I've forgotten the name here. I can't find the tweet here. I cannot find the tweet. Papanes Tarash, I've forgotten the name by head. But if I remember it, I will place it in the comment section, or I will tell you in the other episode. So that is probably what was happening today at court. So thank you very much, Advocate Fatima. She was in solidarity with the comrades. She was also answering her own charges there at Rottenrow Court. So I will bring another case, another issue. Mtoli Ngube is continuing with his shenanigans, and we need to come with that issue so that we talk about it anytime soon. If I get time, if my gadgets permits, I will try to come. The problem is that I'm using one gadget at this moment, so I'm having problems. So I will try to see if I can come again to talk about the issue I'm dealing with the EOE. So thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for your support. Your support is very important. Ngatungo subscribe, ngatungo like, please share, please comment, and make sure that you share to as many people as possible. So when you like our videos, that is massive support. Liking our videos is supporting us, because when you like our videos, they are shown to a lot of people, and that helps us a lot when we are doing our broadcast. So zvakakosha kuti munhu wese aenda anoregister kuvhota. Zvakakosha kuti tirambe tichitaura about this issue of voter registration. What we have observed is that a lot of young people who turned 18 between 2018 and 2022 are not registered to vote. This is confirmed by the statistics of people who registered to vote at this juncture. So we need to continue with this voter registration campaign, so that a lot of people register to vote, to vote, so that a lot of people becomes able to speak on their own, becomes able to defend themselves through the ballot. They become able to speak through the ballot. That is what is very, very, very important. We cannot live with adults who have not registered to vote. That is not so possible. So we have over 100,000 people, new registered people. So I believe I need to bring this case, this issue, so that we talk about how best we can do voter mobilization, we can do voter registration mobilization in our communities, in our locations, to make sure that every young person is registered to vote. So let me bring that that issue today. Two issues, if my time permits, that of Mtungube and that of voter registration and how we can do it. So thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for your support. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.